Introducing the HydroExVac, the all-in-one hydro excavation and vacuum system. Built for versatility, the HydroExVac is designed to take on demanding jobs. From utility exposure to everyday cleanup, it delivers reliable performance across a wide range of applications. Gold mining, septic lid exposing, CNC trays, granite fabrication ditches, and many more use cases. Setup takes just minutes. Connect the HydroExVac, attach it to your pressure washer, connect the garden hose to your source of water, connect it to your pressure washer, then turn on the water. Flip on the power switch, start your pressure washer. You're ready to go. Switch the slide valve to jet mode to dig or break through compacted material. Then switch to vacuum mode to suck out water, mud, or debris. Here's what's going on inside the HydroExVac. Water travels down the stainless steel pressure tube, makes a 180-degree turn, and shoots back up the suction hose, creating a powerful vacuum. Mud, sand, and small rocks flow easily through the fins, while larger debris is stopped before it can clog the system. That means continuous, unrestricted operation in any environment. In this live demo, the HydroExVac empties 6 gallons of water in about 5 seconds, achieving over 1 gallon per second when paired with a 4,000 psi pressure washer. The HydroExVac, making every job faster, safer, and easier.